Have you ever seen something that just didn't make sense at first glance? Like this. Sounds ridiculous, right? I thought the same thing. But then I discovered it's not about math. It's about money. And the wildest part? It didn't stop with just one strange equation. Because yesterday, you may have seen a video from a friend of mine who revealed a system unlike anything I've seen before. A system where one funnel inks one system, we 6 different streams of income. Yes, 6 streams of income, all unlocked from one simple system. And here's what blew me away. No building new funnels from scratch. No spending weeks designing websites. No chasing some secret formula or hyped-up hack that doesn't last. Instead, it all works because of something called commission stacking. So let me break this down as simply as possible. 1. You share one link. 2. People click and land on your page. 3. They join your business. 4. Behind the scenes, the system automatically connects them to 6 different income streams. That's it. 1 link, 6 streams of commissions. And here's the part I love. It all runs on autopilot once you plug in. You don't have to build the system. You don't have to do the selling. You don't have to chase people around online. It's like dropping one stone in the water and watching ripple after ripple expand out automatically. 1 click turns into repeat commissions. 1 action turns into multiple streams of income. And if you've ever struggled before, trying affiliate marketing, trying side hustles, trying to make money online, this is the smarter, simpler version. Because this isn't just affiliate marketing as you know it. This is affiliate marketing multiplied. Stacked. Streamlined. Built for freedom. Now let me ask you something. How much financial stress are you carrying right now? Maybe you've been losing sleep over bills. Maybe you're juggling debt and wondering how you'll ever dig out. Or maybe you're just tired of working harder and harder with nothing extra left over at the end of the month. This system is designed to break that cycle. It gives you a clear, simple path, not just to earning income, but to creating multiple streams of income that can finally lead to financial freedom. And the craziest part? You don't need months to learn it. You don't need tech skills. You don't need to start from zero. It's already set up. You just plug in, share your link, and let the system do the rest. That's why I'm going to show you exactly why this works, even if you've tried before and failed. Because this time, the selling isn't on your shoulders. The heavy lifting isn't on your plate. You simply connect to the system, and it does the selling, the stacking, and the multiplying for you. So if you're serious about relieving financial stress, if you're ready for a proven way to start building real financial freedom, stay tuned. Because this could be the one equation that changes everything for you. 1. 6 streams of income. And 6 streams of income could equal your breakthrough. Click the link in my bio to get started.